Today I want to look at a frequency table and how to find the measures of center of a frequency table using the TI-84 plus C. So we have our frequency table with our classes and our midpoints and our frequency. So what we need to do is we need to go to Stat and enter the midpoints of the frequency table in L1 and the frequency itself in L2. So you go to Stat, press number 1 for Edit, and you can see that I have values in list 1. So I want to clear that out. I move the up cursor, highlight L1, press clear and enter. So my list 1 is now all deleted, and you can always see the keystrokes right down here. So now I enter my midpoints in L1, 4.5, enter, 14.5, enter, 24.5, enter, and one more, 34.5, enter. Okay, now I move the cursor to the right and I enter the frequencies in list 2. 6 for the first one, and I made those numbers up. 12, 19, and 10. So this is my frequency table with the midpoint in L1 and the frequencies in L2. So to find the measures of center, I go back to Stat. Now we move cursor to the right to Calculations, and this is still just going to be one variable, and we press number 1. So now for list, my midpoint is in L1, so I'm going to leave this alone. I'm not going to touch it, but wherever your midpoint is in, that's what you would have to enter to list for list. Now then I'm going to scroll down. My frequency is in list 2, and list 2, as you can see, is blue, so I have to press second and the digit 2, which now will show up on the screen with L2. Then you scroll down to calculate and press enter, and you see that the mean X bar is 21.5. The sample standard deviation is 9.5. And if you scroll down, you find the median to be 24.5. That's how you calculate the mean, median, and standard deviation from a frequency table using the TI-84 plus C.